So I've washed out all the deep conditioner. My hair is feeling pretty good still. I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair using the LOC method like I always do. And I think I'm gonna do braids just to let my hair really soak in all the moisture of my LOC method. And when my hair is completely dry, I'll show you guys the results. For my leave-in, I'm going to be using the As I Am leave-in conditioner. This is my first time using the product just because they didn't have what I regularly was looking for, and the consistency looked about the same as what I like to use. For oil, I'm just going to be using olive oil. I am a person who tends to be pretty heavy-handed with my products, especially now that I've just dyed my hair for the first time. I don't want to play it too safe, so... You just want me till the morning, yeah, yeah. You just want me till the morning, yeah. For my cream, I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafara Oil Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard, only because I bought this thinking it was my favorite deep conditioner. It looks exactly the same, but you know, whatever. Now I'm just going through the same section with my favorite EcoStyler gel. What I'm doing here is squeezing off all that excess juice in my hair, and I put it back in the jar. I don't know how bad that is, but then I make sure to use that immediately in the next braid. And this also helps the hair to dry faster. My camera died. I hope this quality is still good. I'm shooting on my cellular device. Stay tuned because in a couple of weeks I plan on maybe doing some highlights. What? I'm just deciding on a color. If you have any ideas, please comment them down below for me. I'm thinking like a blonde to go throughout, but because my hair turned out more of a reddish, orangey, browny thing, I don't know what to do. Help me. Not only when you're